If you're working with a spreadsheet and database simultaneously to store data, keeping them up to date can be a tough task. You need to regularly switch between the two apps and perform some tedious copy and paste work until you're just plain tired. Well, why don't you let Automate.io make your life easier? It's a simple tool to connect your favorite web apps and saves you a lot of time and energy in the process. To begin, visit this page, click on the Use Case box, and then the Get Started button. You will see the Add Account screen. Here, you will connect your Airtable and Google Sheets accounts to Automate.io. Authorize these apps by clicking on the Connect button and entering your credentials. We always keep your data secure with bank-level encryption. After successfully authenticating your apps, you will land on the Configure page. Here, you will configure the specific data that you want to transfer from Airtable to Google Sheets. Once you complete this step successfully, Automate.io will automatically create a record on Airtable for every new row in your Google spreadsheet. First, let's focus on Google Sheets, which is our trigger app. It is used to define when your automation should start. This automation, also called a bot, starts when there is a new row in your Google spreadsheet. And by the way, there are a lot of other triggers down here that can come in handy for other use cases. And now coming to Airtable, it's our action app, which defines what action should happen in the bot. In this case, we want to add a record in Airtable for every new row in our Google spreadsheet. And just like in Google Sheets, there are a bunch of other actions here that can come in handy for other use cases, so make sure you check those out. Now for this automation to work, you need to configure your bot by mapping the input fields from Google Sheets to Airtable like this. If you have additional columns in your worksheet, you can map them as well for more details for your records. We've now set up our bot, so go ahead and click Done, and let's go test it out. Now, come back to your Automate.io dashboard. Got it. And let's check our Airtable. There you go. Your bot will now run in the background and do all the work for you. So if you want to try out this automation, click on the link below to get started quickly. And remember, we're available 24/5 on our in-app chat or email us directly at help@automate.io. And don't forget to subscribe to us.